Welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors, and on this episode, going to be going over the Get Home can, something I put together for a disaster emergency when you're on the road. So y'all stay tuned. Well, before I go over what's in the can, I want to talk a little bit about why I made this. You know, in case there's like an EMP blast, or there is a natural disaster, or you just get stranded on the side of the road with no cell phone service, I wanted to have something that covered a lot of bases. All right, now I'm going to go over the contents of the Get Home can. First off, I used a 50 cal ammo can. Seals everything up, keeps it all, tied in there. And this whole system right here weighs, I believe, 10 pounds is what I weighed it at. I put a strap on the outside. It is for a bag on the inside as well, but you could use this for collecting water or something of that nature. But inside, as I said, I have a crank-up flashlight. It's not the best or the brightest, but it is a crank-up flashlight, and I didn't want to worry about batteries inside of here. Very nice knife. Got the Schrade. I don't remember what the name of this particular knife is, but it's a very nice knife, cheap, decent knife, $10.95. Comes with a very nice sheath. Some paracord. You never know. And the bag I was talking about, in case you have to leave your vehicle or you need to, take off, you can put all the contents in here and not leave it in this can. But you would use this strap for that bag. Got the life straw. That's kind of self-explanatory if you have to filter some water. Got a poncho. Just a decent, cheap poncho. Now, food-wise, I have the Mayday bar. Really good product. A lot of people like it, and it is very shelf-stable in different environments. Just some kind of spoon. Now, this is an old Yugoslavian mess kit that I found for like, I don't know, $5 or something at a flea market or something like that. But comes with a nice little top container. You can put some food in there. This is metal on the bottom, so you can boil water, eat out of this, whatever you want to do. But I put a lot of little different things inside of here. I have some Trident gum. I didn't want to put toothpaste and a toothbrush in this kit. This will suffice, and in a pinch, Trident gum. Nice little multi-tool hammer type thing. Another multi-tool. Always good to have those. And for the cleaning aspect, I got some hand sanitizer, some hand sanitizer wipes, a little simple first aid kit. Couple bags of oatmeal. It'll just be there. It's pretty shelf stable. It's dry. You don't have to worry about moisture or anything like that. 2 lighters in case you want to start a fire or need something of that nature. A little saw and some bug spray. That is the contents of this Get Home can. Well, I went over the contents in the Get Home can. Great little system. It's not the end-all do-all, but I will use this in tandem with things I already have in my vehicle. Charge my phone, I have systems for that. I always have bottles of water. I always have security, and I always have a large knife. But that is the Get Home system. Just something for an emergency, something of that nature. But I want to thank y'all for all the subscriptions lately, all the comments, all the likes. It's great. We're doing really good. Thanks for all that. And I just want to say thanks for coming along on this video, and y'all have a good one.